In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate PayPal into Wix. To begin, log into your Wix dashboard. Once you are inside your dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you see Settings. Click on that and then choose Accept Payments. This is the section where Wix lets you manage the payment methods available for your site, so this is where you will connect PayPal. This part is important because payment gateway availability can vary depending on the country or region your business is set to. If the location is incorrect, some payment options may not appear, or you could run into issues later during setup. Make sure it matches your actual business location before continuing. Once that looks correct, find the PayPal option in the list of available payment providers. When you see the PayPal row, click the Connect button next to it. This will start the connection process between your Wix site and your PayPal account. Next, Wix will ask you to enter the email address connected to your PayPal business account. Type it into the field provided, then click Next. Be sure that you are using a PayPal business account here, since that is typically the required account type for accepting payments through your website. After that, a secure pop-up window will open and redirect you to PayPal. This is normal, and it is part of the official connection flow. On the PayPal login screen, enter your password to sign in. Once you are logged in, PayPal will show you a permissions request for Wix. This page explains what Wix needs access to in order to process payments through your site. Review those permissions carefully, then click Agree and Connect to finish linking the two platforms. After that, Wix and PayPal should be connected, and your site will be one step closer to accepting payments from customers. If you do not see the pop-up window, make sure your browser is not blocking pop-ups, since that can interrupt the connection process. It is also a good idea to double-check that you are signed into the correct PayPal account before approving access. That covers everything you need to know.